You can hear entirely contradictory statements about the chemistry of alkanes. Some chemists would say alkanes are inert, meaning they're not reactive. When they say that, they're talking about charge-driven reactions, reactions that happen because reagents have negative charge and they're drawn to positive charge in the molecule. Or reagents have positive charge and they're drawn to negative charge in the molecule. We know that alkanes are nonpolar. They don't have distinct regions of positive and negative charge. And so we would predict that alkanes don't do charge-driven reactions, and in fact, that's right. Alkanes do almost no reactions at all that are charge-driven. We won't talk about any in our course. On the other hand, other chemists might say, whoa, alkanes are very reactive compounds. And when they're talking about that, they're talking about radical reactions. And indeed, toward radical chemistry, alkanes often are very reactive. Here's a couple of examples that are important to us. Alkanes react with oxygen. We call it combustion. The value of this reaction is that these reactions release energy. Here's a generic equation for that reaction where we would picture an alkane, hydrocarbon, reacting with oxygen. It makes CO2 and water. But the key product for us is energy, and lots of it. A second radical reaction that's important is reaction with halogens. The two halogens that are important for us are chlorine and bromine. And a generic example can be written like this. A hydrogen bound to carbon, someplace in the alkane molecule, is replaced by a halogen. And a byproduct is hydrogen halide. But the primary use of this reaction is to turn alkanes into useful molecules. Molecules that have halogen that can be replaced by other atoms and functional groups that we want. So radical halogenation of alkanes is an important first step that makes precursors to a wide variety of very valuable organic molecules. In summary, with respect to charge-driven reactions, those are the reactions that we focus on in this course, alkanes are inert. But for radical reactions, especially reaction with oxygen and halogens, alkanes are very reactive, and we put those reactions to very good use.